Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. If you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning member, welcome back. And if you're a new member, could you please share, like, and smash that subscribe button? It definitely helps the channel. And of course, as always, before we get started, I'm not a doctor, don't make any medical claims. This is all based on my own personal research, so please do your homework first. And I know you have a successful journey like I'm having. Well, welcome to another video blog. Today we're talking about losing weight after 60, and is it possible? Well, of course it's possible to lose weight. It all depends on how bad you want to lose weight. Now, at the very beginning in 2020 there, I was 367 pounds, and I was quite heavy, as you can see, and I'm going to go back to some of my older photographs and put some up over the timeline there so you can see how really heavy I was. I mean, at one point when I was doing the band concerts in 2019 there in that Charlie Brown shirt, I had like a pear-shaped body, and oh God, was I out of shape. I had no business doing any of that stuff there, but I was determined. Then 2020 came rolling along, and we did a few concerts in the Lower Common area, and I was so bad I couldn't even move left or right without my whole body hurting me. And I said to myself in that time frame, if I can't get myself on track, then there's got to be a better way. So I decided on the ketogenic lifestyle after consulting my doctor. Believe me, we tried a lot of different plans before that. I did like Weight Watchers was a good plan. I mean, I don't have a problem with Weight Watchers or the Jenny Craig's, but the Jenny Craig's are very expensive, Nutrisystem, because it's prepackaged food, and I could do the same thing and pre-prep my meals ahead of time and make them for the week, and I'm all good to go. Which that's just basically what I've been doing anyways, and that's how we've been very, very successful. Now, you're never too old to lose weight. You're never too old to do anything in life. I'm 67. I'll be 60 in August, as I said. I do plan on going skydiving at some point when I feel as if I can, and that'll come in time. I want to still do some rock climbing and stuff like that. I just recently had my left hip out. That's coming along good. I'm already walking without the cane. I'm walking without the walker, and it's only been less than 2 weeks. So I'm doing phenomenally well. And I would encourage you to just go out there, do your research, get involved with some support groups. I have a support group, Stephy Newman from the Incredible Shrinking. Stephy has one, the Shrinkables. Mine is Ron's Keto Cafe Support. Jessica Freeman from Keto Rewind, Keto Rewind Support. They all have support groups, and there's many others that have support groups. So get involved in the support group. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Just don't ask any medical questions, because we're not going to answer any medical questions. In fact, if you do put a medical question up, though, the administrator of that group will take that question off, because, again, we're not doctors, and we don't want any advice from somebody that can't make that qualification advice to you. But, I would definitely start somewhere. You have to start somewhere, regardless of where it is, and decide what plan might work for you. The ketogenic lifestyle is a nice plan, because typically, I was watching some videos this morning how other people are losing weight being on keto. Some of the videos, like one lady, she lost 100 and some odd 50 pounds on keto, and then the guy lost over 200. And this is all without weight loss surgery. We were going to get the weight loss surgery again, but we decided at the end that no, we're going to do it the old-fashioned way. We're going to work hard. We're going to trust our faith in God. We're going to believe in our faith, and we're going to just push on and get the weight off. Now, weight is a slow process, guys. I'm going to make no bones about it. You're going to have good days and bad days. You're going to have very bad months. You're not going to lose anything. I mean, again, last year I gained 40 pounds, so the latter half of the year, you know what? It is what it is. So just move on. And here we are, a new year, a new day. Every day's a new day. Every minute's a new minute. You just can't gloat over and keep living in the past. So you have to move on to the future if you want to live. I mean, I want to live, certainly. Am I scared of living? Hell yeah. There's so much going on right now that you're not seeing out in the mainstream right now. The economy, despite what they're saying, is really, really bad. I have to go back to work, and I'm supposed to be retired, But I'm not going to let a lot of that put any more added stress on me right now than I need to be. I'm feeling pretty good. My hip feels like I got a new lease on life, and again, I feel as if I want to return back to work on a part-time basis, and just could make a little bit of extra money so I could keep up with the economy, and when that improves, then I'll leave. But you're never too old to lose weight. You're never too old to do anything in life that you want to do. Okay, last year, as most of you know, I started school. And I had to stop because of the flood and all that stuff that went on, which is another reason why it led to a lot of weight gain. And I am going back to school. I'm just going to make contact with the school committee, and they got to let them know what my intentions are and what I want to do going forward. And, you know, I'm 67 years old. You're going to go back to school at 67? I saw an 87-year-old lady that just recently got her master's degree over there in college, in a community college. So, I mean, if she can do it at 87, she's never going to use that master's degree to get a job or anything, but who the heck knows? If she's got a sharp mind at 87 years old, you can achieve anything you want in life. So you're never too old to learn or try anything new. If you want to do some painting or learn how to play an instrument or anything, or crochet if you're a lady or something like that. Yeah, I would like to learn how to crochet. If you live locally, you know, show me how to do stuff like that. Or I'll learn it myself, just to show you that guys can learn how to crochet. Or anything for that matter in life there. But you know, do something productive, something fun, and have fun in life, because that's what it's all about. Having fun and helping other people. So I hope this encourages you today about, are you ever too old to answer your question, to lose weight or do anything in life? No, you're not never too old. You know, you got to have the heart, the willpower, and the drive, and believe in your faith. And again, I can't stress this enough. If you don't believe in God and you don't believe in Jesus, that's fine. Just believe in yourself that you know you can do this, and I know you can do this, and we know you can do this. And if you need my help and you want to reach out to me, say, Ron, I saw this video and I'm very interested in learning how to, I need your help, and I'll be glad to help you. And if you want to get on board and do like a video chat with me so we can put it up on the channel to let people know where we are and where you are, and I'd be glad to interview you, and let me know too, and to show more. But anyways, that's all I got to say for today. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Love you guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay vigilant. And if anybody hasn't told you this, you are amazing. Thanks for watching.